Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find purchase domains on your Godaddy account. Let's go to the video. Here I have already logged into my Godaddy account. Sometimes if you are a beginner or a new user of Godaddy, you are confused with finding your purchase domains after you sign into your Godaddy account. Let's see how to find it. Click on your profile name that you can see on the top right side. Then click on My Products. Here you can see quick review of your products. So scroll down. Then you can see all products and services. Under that, you can find domains. Under domains, you can see your all purchase domains. If you have purchased other services, they can be also seen here, like website plus marketing, commerce and payments, email and office, and so on. That's how you can find your purchase domains and other Godaddy products. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.